Most people will never get abs, not because it's hard, but because they're doing the exact opposite of what actually works. They're doing ab workouts, they're dieting, they're even doing cardio, yet their stomach still looks exactly the same. So in the next 4 minutes, I'll show you the only 3 things that actually gives you visible abs. The first mistake is thinking ab workouts burn belly fat. This is why so many people do things like 10-minute ab workouts every day. But here's the problem, you can't spot reduce fat. Your body doesn't burn fat from the muscle you're training. You could do crunches every day and your body would still decide where that fat comes off. That's why people end up with strong abs that are still hidden. Visible abs come from low body fat, being lean, nothing else. And the way you lose body fat is by being in a caloric deficit. That just means eating slightly fewer calories than your body burns each day. Your maintenance calories are the amount your body needs to stay the same weight. Eat a bit below that, roughly 300 to 400 calories less, to lose about 0.5 to 1% of your body weight per week, and your body will slowly burn fat. Keep doing this consistently, and over time, your abs will start to show. But this is where a lot of people make the second big mistake, which is focusing on weight loss instead of fat loss. A lot of people try to get abs by just eating less and watching the scale drop. But if you lose weight too aggressively, something important happens. You also lose muscle. And when muscle goes down, your physique gets softer. This is exactly how people become skinny fat. Smaller, but still no abs. If you want your abs to actually show, the goal isn't just losing weight, it's losing fat whilst maintaining your muscle. And to keep your muscle whilst in a deficit, you really only need 2 things: enough protein and resistance training. Keep your protein high, at around 1 gram per pound of body weight, and continue lifting weights while you're in a deficit. Focus on maintaining your strength or slowly getting stronger over time. That combination tells your body to prioritize the muscle. Hence, the weight you lose will mostly come from fat and not muscle. And the final mistake is thinking your abs will look impressive once you're lean. But the truth is, if you don't have enough muscle underneath, being lean won't make them look impressive. Abs are a muscle like any other, and like every muscle, they grow from progressive overload. Doing random crunches with no resistance mainly builds endurance, but if you want your abs to actually pop, they need resistance training. And to make it simple for you, you only need 2 exercises: cable crunches for midsection and C crunches for the lower abs. Train them like any other muscle. Focus on getting stronger over time. 2 hard sets per exercise is more than enough. Aim for around 6 to 10 reps per set, taking close to failure. Do this twice per week, just focus on adding weight and getting stronger over time. That's what makes your abs actually grow and pop. So if you're trying to get visible abs, the formula is actually very simple. First, get lean enough for them to show. Second, keep your muscle whilst losing fat. And third, train your abs with resistance so they actually grow. That's it. Do these 3 things consistently and your abs will look absolutely shredded. And that's basically everything you need to know about getting visible abs in less than 4 minutes. If you want more simple videos like this, breaking down how to build an aesthetic physique without all the fitness industry nonsense, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.